What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Dash because for the past couple of days this coin is pumping absolutely like crazy. Right now we are having here some pullback, so if you are interested what are the exact setups that I'm currently watching here to get here into a long position or what is the price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bitunix exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today's analysis on a 1 hour chart. As I said, for the past couple of days, we had here pretty great pump. This pump was around 175% of a net market. And right now we are having here a pullback around like 27% of a net market, something like that. Right now, the main area that I'm watching is this bullish order block area on a 1 hour chart. These bullish order blocks are between levels 38.2 and 36.1, and then 35.5 and 33.42. So if we are gonna retest this area, I am watching here actually two possible setups that you can take. First one will be just to place a limit order above this bullish order block because this is really important support. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bullish order block, so level approximately 33.32. And the last take profit target you can place, for example, to a new high, something like that under $70 mark, which will give you a risk reward ratio up to 6.18. This is, in my opinion, really great potential risk reward ratio and really great potential setup. The main problem that I'm having with this scenario is that even the stop loss is like 13.3% of a net market. This is, in my opinion, not that safe. Even better setup will be, in my opinion, to wait here for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation somewhere in this area. In this case, so you want to place your stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, and entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after that support confirmation. And in this case, I think stop loss will be around like 7 to 8% of a net market, something like that, which will then give you a risk reward ratio up to 13. In both of these trading scenarios, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take around like this previous important highs and lows, then something under this first bearish order block, under a second bearish order block, for example, something under the current high, then you can take some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 10, 9.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great setup. Another way how to trade these bullish order blocks is simply to wait just for a liquidity grab under the first one. So if the market will do something like this, a liquidity grab, and then there will be a support confirmation in this area, you can actually use this as a long opportunity. Stop loss, again, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Stop loss needs to be somewhere in this second bullish order block, because if we are gonna get under, then there will be a liquidity grab under the second one, and then the stop loss will be exactly the same as in the previous trading scenario. Last take profit targets you can place on the exact same level, so under that $70 mark, which will then give you, again, really great risk reward ratio. So with multiple take profit targets, you will get to level like 9, 9.5, 10, something like that, which is, in my opinion, as I said, really great potential trade. If I'm gonna switch on a 12-hour chart, actually the closest area that you can use as a long opportunity is this bullish order block. So yeah, if there will be a retest of this bullish order block, so of a level 30.79, actually I don't want to use it as a limit order, but if there will be a liquidity grab under with a support confirmation, again, you can trade here something like this. Stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit target, like in this case, feel free to place it under this high. If you want, you can place it under that $70 mark. This really like doesn't matter. Both of these trading scenarios will have absolutely insane risk reward ratio. But to be honest, honestly, I don't think there will be a drop around like 40% of a net market. So in my opinion, there is actually a small chance that we are gonna test the liquidity here. Let's now get back to a 1 hour chart, because there is of course nothing guaranteed, and we can have a pump from a current level. So if there will be another pump and we are going to retest this bearish order block, which is by the way between levels 52.85 and 51.13, and there will be a breakout with a support confirmation, this can be another potential long position. Stop loss you want to place just under this bearish order block, because if after support confirmation there will be a breakdown with the resistance confirmation, the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets again under that $70 mark, which after breakout of this current high will be next important psychological resistance. This trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 7.32, so with multiple take profit targets, which means some of the profits under this bearish order block, then under this previous high, then for example something around 65.5, something like that, then you can place some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, again, risk reward ratio 4, which is like, again, not a bad risk reward ratio on a 1 hour chart. Let's now take a look on a weekly time frame, because you can see in the long run from a current all-time high we are still down around like 90% of a net market. So I think in the upcoming bull market we will see a great pump. But the main problem that I am having here is this bearish order block, because right now we again tested this area and there is like really big pullback. So the first thing that I want to see here is either support confirmation in this bearish order block, or better scenario will be to break out this area and then do here a support confirmation. Anyway, if one of these scenarios will happen, you can open here like a long-term long position. So if you want to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio, me personally, I wouldn't buy it on like this level, but if we are gonna confirm this bearish order block as support, you can start considering it. Your next day profit targets can be this next bearish order block, which is between levels 140 and 112, or if for example the really huge alt season will happen, we can watch this next bearish order block, so level like 247 and 194, which from a current level, this can be a potential pump around like 440% of a net market. So hey guys, definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and for example, what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. Like, the bullish momentum right now is really great, and there is also really big upside, because in the long run we can say we are undervalued because we are down around like 90% from an all-time high. I am not saying we are gonna break the current all-time high, but I think we can, for example, see, as I said, something like this and then another dump. So yeah, if I will be opening here some long-term long position, this will be my main exit area. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you want to follow my exact trading setups, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.